guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my favorites for the month. I finally had a day where I didn't have the baby in my hands, so I thought I would jump on here real quick and show you the products that I have been loving. If you like my crazy curls, I'm doing a tutorial on it. I actually just filmed it. This is the GHD 1-inch flat iron, and that's how I did my curls with the flat iron. So I have a tutorial on how to do it. This is day one, instant, like this is just freshly done. By day 2 there'll be like looser curls, and by day 3 there'll be waves. So I thought I would film it and show you guys how I did. Now I don't mind really spirally bouncy curls. I think they're really pretty, but I know some people, it's not like the modern way. Everybody likes to do beachy waves, so to each your own. But this, I just wanted to mention that I'm filming that, and that this straightener has been really cool. It's actually very fast. I don't know why I haven't been using it. I've been using my Canon one that I've had. It was like $20 10 years ago. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump into my other favorites besides that straightener. This is the Bare Minerals Round the Clock. This one's called 10 a.m., but they do sell different shades. This one is the Intense Cream Glide Eyeliner in waterproof and an olive shade. It's just what you'd think. It's a pencil liner. You have to sharpen it. I have like a teal. I have a plum teal. This one's Round the Clock 4 a.m. And it's a really pretty bright blue. And when I say like bright, I mean like one swipe, super bright teal. These are wonderful. They're waterproof for the water line, for your tight line. They just are gorgeous. And I just think this olive, because I have some green in my eyes, you probably can't tell, but I have like some gold and green in my eyes. So I think putting green around them and golds and purples and stuff make them look more green. So I don't know. I've not really been liking that. Also, my Lady Moss 116 holding lipstick tower. I filmed a whole video on that. I actually filmed it yesterday. So that is 116 lipsticks in one tower. And I've been really liking being able to see my lipsticks out on display instead of stuffed in a drawer. And also it helps me like pick one or like find what I'm looking for quicker instead of like little, you know, rifling through drawers and stuff. I really like that. I also wanted to talk about this. The reason I don't have like a fresh lip color. This is the Buxom Full On Lip Cream in the shade Rose Julep. And it's just like a mini that I got from Sephora. It tastes like a tingly cupcake. Like a vanilla tingle. But Rose Julep is just really pretty. It's like something you could stick in your purse. I kind of want to buy the full size, even though I have a ridiculous number of lip glosses that are around this shade. I really like this one because it is a full-on lip cream. Like, it's creamy. It's pigmented enough to be a standalone lip gloss, where some of them are really sheer, and so you kind of have to like use it as a topper, or you want it to wear it only when you want like a no makeup look. But this one I really like. So I don't own any of the full-size Buxom lip products, but I do have several minis. I'm just looking in front of me to see if I have any, and I love them all. So I should probably be buying some of their full-size ones. Maybe when the holiday kits come out. Let me know some of your favorite Buxom lip formulas and which ones are your favorites, because I like mid-tone, slightly pinky, mauve-y, natural kind of My Lips But Better shades a lot. So let me know if you guys have any recommendations for Buxom products. Also, this L'Oreal Boost It Blowout Heat Spray. I mentioned this in the hair tutorial, but I've been using this more frequently. It is the Boost It Blowout Heat Spray that gives lasting volume and heat protection for all heat tools. So I don't even blow dry my hair. This is a blowout heat spray. I don't know what the difference is between this and a heat protectant, but it's a lightweight heat spray that offers lasting volume and heat protection to achieve your ideal blowout. It works with the heat of your blow dryer or any heat tool. It infuses volume for a blowout that lasts. So I don't know, but that is why I like this hair technique, is because I use that product in combination with the next product, the Living Proof Style Prime Style Extender. It's like a cream that you put in your hair when it's dry or just barely damp after the shower, fresh hair. I put that on, and then I can get my waves to last 3 days. And then this is my heat protectant. I think my hair is pretty healthy. I've probably been heat styling it only once or twice a week though, so that's probably why, but it feels good, so go figure. Another product, this one I have mentioned in so many favorites videos, but I have to say I ran out of the Urban Decay All Nighter makeup setting spray at one point, and guys, you notice when your favorite setting spray is not there because you try to use substitutes and it just isn't the same. I love the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is the old bottle, but it is so good. It really does make a difference. I find like a lot of them I'm like, oh, that feels refreshing, or like, yeah, it takes the powdery look away off the top of my makeup. No, this one makes my makeup last visibly longer. Like, I almost want to do like a trial, you know, to see how many hours something holds up or whatever, because this one is like hairspray for your face. Hairspray for your face. It's face spray. It's setting spray. Okay, you know what I mean. It's good. It's really good, and you should look at that. Another product I want to talk about is a Bite Beauty lipstick that you can't buy anymore. And I'm so annoyed because I have had this product for a few years. It's probably expired. You didn't hear that. But they don't sell the Bite Beauty Luminous Cream lipsticks anymore. This is the shade Zin, Z-I-N. And I have used a good amount of them, of this one. But it is the most perfect berry without being like in your face obnoxious, but it's like glossy and pigmented, like rosy berry shade. And it makes you look polished, and you can tell you have lip product on, kind of like this one, where it doesn't look like I'm not wearing anything, but it's not like a bright berry color or like red or something like shocking. It's like pretty, you know, it's very pretty. So I have been totally loving this, and I wish you could repurchase, even though I'm nowhere near ending it. This might be the next lipstick that I empty. I'm not going on record with that, okay? But this may be the very next one. I also want to talk about a lifestyle favorite that is not makeup related, and that is MyFitnessPal, the app, and it's free, or if the free version is fine, there is a premium version you can pay for. I have been using that, and I'm down about 10 pounds in a month because I had lost all the baby weight I had a baby on May 23rd. By like July 23rd, I was already down all of the baby weight and another 10 pounds. So I was down, I gained 25, I had lost 35 pounds. And then I slowly put on 10 or 15 pounds over the last 6 months. So by, I think it was the third week of February, I took a picture with someone, and I realized, oh my gosh, I am so big right now. Like, I was embarrassed, you know, and I never posted the photo. It was just one of those moments where you're like, that was it for me. I was like, I'm back. So now I'm back down 10 pounds, and I feel so much better. And that app has really helped me keep track of everything. I had never counted macros before, and it sounds like so hippie, like fitness guru person, and I don't work out. Like, let's just be real. I don't work out. I walk a lot. With my husband, we walk every single day, but I don't like go to a gym. I don't go to Pilates. I'm not a CrossFit person. I don't do any of that. I just live my life. I chase a toddler, a baby, you know, that's it. So I didn't think that macros counting was for me, but I really like this app. And let me see if I can show it to you. Basically, you can track your weight. My husband actually synced it to our scale. So when I weigh myself, the app knows what I weighed that day. It's really cool. You track like what you ate every day, the calories that displays all that. You put in your exercise. I put breastfeeding in as my exercise, and it gives me calories that I can eat on that. And then also it counts your macros for you, and it tells you like what your target is, like 50% carbs for me, 30% fat, 20% protein. So it's like a little pie chart. My screen is dirty, but it should be like a pie chart, you know, 50, 30, 20. And then you burn fat and you lose weight at the fastest rate when all of those are correct. So if you're off by like a percent or two, no big deal. But if you're like way off, then you need to change your diet, because it's not just about, well, I'm supposed to eat 1,500 calories today and I only ate 1,500 calories. Why am I not losing weight? Because 1,500 calories of Skittles is different than 1,500 calories of broccoli, right? So this takes that into account. Like, it's not just stay under 15 calories, because I can eat 2 Big Macs and be done for the day. Or I can eat like 20 things that still put me within that 1,500 calories, but hit the protein, the carbs, and the fat. I'm not tracking like how many grams of sugar am I eating. I'm not looking at the sodium. I'm not looking at any of that stuff. I'm not worrying about sugar-free or fat-free or low-cal options or low-carb options. I'm just kind of like keeping all of it in mind, but mostly, do you know what I mean? Like, I'm just, like, eating what I should be eating all along. Salads at least once a day, but, like, salad, I have a policy, like, not as my whole meal. Salad's, like, a part of a meal, so I'll have, like, a smaller thing, like a little sandwich, and a salad. I'm not ever going to be one of those people that just has salad for lunch or for dinner. Like, mm-mm. I might have the salad instead of fries, but I'm not doing a salad as my whole meal. Rant over. Anyway, that app has been really good. It's been really effective. And if you were looking for a free way to lose weight, I used to do Weight Watchers and use the app online. But if you're not into that or you don't want to pay for it, try this. MyFitnessPal, Google Play, Play Store. Really good. Just a couple more products, guys. And this one is another oldie but goodie. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I have it in the shade 25 medium. Mine is probably almost out. Definitely had it more time than it's supposed to technically be good for, but the reason I like this one is because it is not a full coverage concealer. Like, everybody's like bragging about all these full coverage concealers, and I just realized that I don't like the way they look under my eyes. I wear full coverage foundations and under eye corrector. I don't want to have cake face, but more so I don't want to have cakey under eyes because that ages you so much. So like having powdery, like really brightened, creasy under eyes with thick baked on powder, and then, you know, I'm just not into that anymore, and I'm really trying to lighten up. So I've been using, I don't know if you can tell, a lot less foundation, just the same foundations but just not as much product. Or I've been using more medium coverage things, or even BB creams. I'll talk about something else coming up. With just a little bit less product that do the same thing. I just spot conceal with something like this that doesn't give me cake face. And the reason I like the shade medium is because I could probably go a shade lighter, if you can tell, like this is pretty dark for me, is because I can spot conceal with it. I might go back and buy the shade lighter for next winter if I still love it, but highly recommend the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I don't know why I haven't been reaching for it, other than it just wasn't full coverage, but I don't need full coverage. I just need some coverage. Alright, last product here. This is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream SPF 30 in Ginger 06. I have owned this in 3 different shades now, and this one, as you can see, is going to be in my empties, I think, because I've gone through another tube. I really like this stuff. The days that I don't want to wear any makeup, but I like kind of have to because I have to go out and do something that I have to look like a presentable woman, I wear this with that concealer, and that takes care of complexion. And then I bring like a palette that's got like eyes, lips, or eyes, face in one, and then I go. So this product has like that light to medium coverage look that makes me look polished but not overdone. That is my natural look. I am not a no makeup person. I'm either I look like I have never seen a makeup brush in my life, and nobody in the grocery store would understand that I have like 200 makeup brushes at home, or like 116 lipstick storage tower, because they'd be like, she doesn't do makeup. Or I'm like all out, you know, smoky eye with the whole deal. So lately I've had an in-between, which is this. Something that's makes me look like myself, just a little bit more polished. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please comment down below products that you've been loving, and if there's anything you want to share or anything you want me to check out as far as products you want to see reviewed, or any recommendations you might have for me, please comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.